And if you've driven along the Missouri River, you'll notice the chunks of ice moving at a steady pace. Our Ryan Hennessy spoke to the Army Corps of Engineers about the current river conditions.
Behind me on the Missouri River are ice floes that have certainly complemented the scenery here, but it got us wondering at News Press Now, could the river actually freeze here?
It would take, it's not just a number of cold days, it takes a lot of factors, air temperature, wind, the length of the days, the longer the day, the more sun you have. So it's it's not just the cold days at St. Joe that would impact that. It's cold throughout the basin upstream from that is also a factor.
The last time the river froze in St. Joseph was in 1989, this according to Corps Chief John Remus. Now, there are some observers from our northern neighbors that have seen, in some areas, 10% of open water. Ice jams and ice bridges are something the Corps is currently combating. This past Friday, the Corps released an additional 2,000 feet per cubic second from Gavin's Point, increasing the total to 19,000.
We try to avoid, if we can, causing an ice bridge or an ice jam to form. It's a very hard thing to do, particularly the further away you get from the dam. We have some limited ability to manage that north of Omaha here, but once we really get a couple of days away from the dam, our ability to react is quite a bit less.
As of Wednesday around noon, the river depth was 3 1/4 feet deep, and the water temperature was a chilling 32 degrees Fahrenheit, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. Reporting for News Press Now, I'm Ryan Hennessy.